tell you what, it's deadly hot up here. 110, 115. I think I have to seek shelter in the In-N-Out burger over here. Although this whole thing looks empty over here. I don't think the boulevard was... This is a horrible project. I don't think this was necessary. Yeah, let's at least go in here and see what this looks like. Oh no. Nope. Just a little breath of air conditioning, but it's a trap.
Guest 61, please. Guest 61.
Virtual reality. Oh shit, it smells like ketchup and French fries. Let's just get in and get out. In and out, just like the name says. Well, and now I can tell everybody there's absolutely no reason to come up here. This is not impressive. And if you used to like staying at Polo Towers, you're going to be upset your view is messed up. You're going to sit on your balcony going, what the hell? Not cool, Las Vegas. Why'd you do it? At least they have some Taylor Swift chiptunes. What? Harder, I got smarter in the nick of time. Ouch. My knee. I'm old. Old my knee. Not old money. Oh, my knee.